elephant.
F for fish.
G for dog.
H for hat.
I for ice cream.
J for jug.
K for kite.
L for lion.
M for monkey.
N for nest.
O for orange.
P for parrot.
Q for queen.
R for rabbit.
S for sun.
T for tiger.
U for umbrella.
V for van.
W for much. X for xylophone.
Y for yo-yo. C for zebra hang.
Thanks for watching my video.